Yeah. The problem with direct translation is that it is weird, doesn't make sense and sounds awfully weird. There's no point, a song like this is no longer a song. But see, the lyrics are all off, the meaning is gone, the emotion is gone, the nostalgia is gone, the rhyming is lost, and it's just like a story or endless book. The way it was done originally is perfect. There's no need to try to translate for those that don't understand or speak. Mom, just makes everything horrendous. It's kinda embarrassing to put it into this format. It's also downgrading. If you're gonna go this direction, just do a version that is closely matching. So weird to me how they redo and Goku Mama ate into English. The whole thing is just cheesy. No one in America will say miss me little little, or the moon is our meeting place. It makes no sense even if you understood it. The English language does not accommodate that. That's why I always tell these white people who speak Hmong that they're only speaking the basic language. The actual Hmong language is poetry and cannot be duplicated by any other language. Hence, we should be proud of our language. However, no one is. They rather do stupid things like this or assimilate to look good. We are embarrassed of our culture and ourselves. It is utterly sad I see all these Hmong women that marry outside our race, and I find them to be sad and very repulsive. I know how they are, I know why they do what they do. They can hide it all they want, just be proud of who the fook you are. Eat rice in front of people, who gives a fook? It's not like American food is better, LOL. White men are not better than Asian men by a large margin. Being white ain't cool, they're Karens. That's what I'm trying to say, let me teach you. Hmong kids are so embarrassed of their language that they don't even want to speak Hmong anymore. At the same time, they can't even master the English language. What are you? A bum without identity? If your English is worse than mine and your Hmong is worse than mine, are you really better? LOL WTF? At least master one when a white man speaks. Hmong. Every Hmong person is impressed. Do you know how many random Hmong men can speak multiple languages? LOL, why you not impressed by Hmong men being able to do this and still live a respectable life? Y'all people are just sad to faces. When a white man marries your daughter, he gets off scot-free. When your own Hmong men marry your daughter, you give him hell. You make it impossible for him to marvel them daughter. Good thing they are marrying whites, right? Don't complain or cry when they leave your daughter or abuse them. You people make me sick sometimes. You enforce impossible. Hmong weddings on Hmong men, even go as far as aborting their children for face. But you won't with these white or black men. Are you hypocrites asking for a friend? Shouldn't it be the other way around? Why Hmong men have it easy? You people think and tell me BC? I am genies apparently. I love to be impressed, yo.